How to claim Amazon Prime student discount. So if you want to claim Amazon Prime student discount, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply open up your Amazon. After opening your Amazon, I need to make sure that you've logged into your account and then go with your account, which is on the top right. Click on it, and then here you will have Prime option. You need to click on Prime. Once you click on it, here on the right side, as you can see that it says, are you 18 or 24 years old or a student? So you need to simply click on it. And then here you will have an option of try Prime for young adults. You will have your 6-month free trial for just $0. You'll have full Prime benefits and 5% cash back. So you don't have to pay anything for 6 months. We just have to simply click on try, and then it will ask you to verify your student details. You just need to simply go and enter your student details, your first and last name, your date of birth, your university name, your graduation year, your payment method, and everything. Once you've entered everything, you need to just go with continue, which will be on the right side. And in this way, you'll be able to claim Amazon Prime student discount. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.